So we are solving 20 minus 15 divided by 5 plus 4. So 20 minus 15 equals 5 divided by 5 and plus 4. Now 5 divided by 5 equals 1 and plus 4, and 1 plus 4 equals 5. But this is wrong. Why? Because according to PEMDAS rule, parenthesis first, right, then exponents, multiplication and division same left to right, third, and addition and subtraction same left to right, fourth, right. So division must be done before subtraction, right. So division first. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3 plus 4 and minus 20. Now subtraction and addition same left to right. So 20 minus 3 equals 17 plus 4. 17 plus 4 equals 21.